Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Abegi Swad. Today I am with a new recipe of Mysore Pak. It is a super delicious and a popular sweet from Mysore. Here Pak refers to sugar syrup. It is made with just 3 main ingredients. Before starting the video, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell to be notified about my exciting recipes. First, in a pan or a bowl, take ghee. Let it melt completely and then mix oil. Heat it on low flame. The ghee oil mixture has to be hot while adding in besan. So I'm transferring the bowl to another stove. Take a heavy bottomed karai. Add sugar followed by some water. On low to medium flame, heat the sugar syrup. Stir so that the sugar dissolves. Let the sugar syrup bubbling and boiling. We don't need one string consistency, just let the sugar syrup come to a boil. At this time we have to add the besan. Roast and sift the besan. Add in the roasted besan in sugar syrup. Add in 2 to 3 batches. With a spatula or whisk, stir the besan briskly so that it dissolves well. There shouldn't be any lumps. With one hand add besan and with another hand mix it. Mix very well so that the besan has got mixed evenly with sugar syrup. Then add hot ghee oil mixture in parts. First add 2 to 3 spoon or a ladle full of ghee. See the bubbles and froths. Mix well until dissolves. Then add second part of ghee and mix well. Keep the flame in low to medium. This way, finish off adding all the ghee and oil mixture. Mix very well. All the ghee will be absorbed and we have got smooth molten besan mixture. On a low to medium flame with non-stop stirring, cook besan. Continue till you see many bubbles in the mixture and ghee is released from besan mixture. The mixture starts to leave the sides of the pan. While stirring, also scrape the bottom and the sides. When the mixture comes together in one mass and some ghee at sides, stir for a few minutes until small bubbles and holes form in the mixture. Switch on the flame immediately. Tilt karhai and pour into a greased pan. Level with a spatula or back of a spoon. Let the Mysore Pak mixture become warm. Give desired cuts before it cools down completely. After 30 to 40 minutes, slice into desired shapes. Serve warm or stored in an airtight container. It stays good for about 7 to 10 days at room temperature. By the way, don't lose hope if you can't make it happen in one go, cause this is my second time making it. First time I made all Mysore crumbs. Just all you need a little practice and also experience from the past mistakes. Just look at the pieces. Look how crispy they are. I used to get the warm packets sold in the local train. So I love Mysore Paks to be eaten warm. And ta-da! The delicious Mysore Pak is ready. Make this sweet on any occasion and serve your friends and family. Comment down below how it turned out. Stay tuned for the next recipes. Take care and bye bye.